Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we explore fascinating topics and dive into the world of technology. Today, we're going to talk about robotics, an incredible field that brings together the best of science and engineering. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Have you ever imagined having a special machine that can think, see, and do things just like a human, but even better? Well, that's exactly what robotics is all about. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how robots work and what makes them so exciting. At the heart of robotics are three important components: perception, cognition, and action. Think of it like the three superpowers of robots. First, they have sensors that act as their eyes and ears, allowing them to see and hear the world around them. These sensors help them understand their environment and gather information. Next, robots have a smart brain inside them, just like we have our own brains. This computer brain uses programs and algorithms to make sense of the information from the sensors. It helps the robot understand what it sees and hears, so it can make decisions and figure out what to do next. But what good is a brain without the ability to move? That's where the third superpower comes in: action. Robots have special parts called actuators, such as motors, arms, or wheels, that allow them to move and interact with their surroundings. When the robot's brain tells it what to do, the actuators make it happen. Now, let me tell you, the ways robots can be programmed are incredible. Some robots follow step-by-step instructions, much like a recipe, to perform specific tasks. Others can actually learn from their experiences and get better at tasks over time. It's like teaching them to get smarter on their own. You can find robots in all sorts of places, from factories to hospitals, and even in space. In factories, robots can speed up production and assemble things with precision. In hospitals, they can assist doctors in surgeries or provide care to patients. And in space, robots can explore other planets and gather valuable information. Isn't it amazing how robots are transforming the way we live and work? The field of robotics is constantly evolving, with scientists and engineers coming up with new ideas and pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. Who knows, maybe in the future, we'll have robots that can do even more incredible things to assist us in our everyday lives. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of robotics. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any topics you'd like to see covered. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.